Good morning. This is construction day 5. The plan for today is to clean up some of the spray foam that we put in so that we can add the other layer of 1.5 and then cap it with the 3/4 inch plywood. We've ordered the doors because they take a little longer, and then we're gonna order the wood this coming week so that next Saturday we're gonna get started on those. We figured out where all the windows are gonna be and what kind of windows we want, the colors and all of that, so we'll be ordering that soon thereafter. But man, love this process. I mean, come on, this is an amazing, even though the mosquitoes are a little bad. All right, so let's get going uncapping this beast, and I'm gonna be cleaning that foam. One thing that I would recommend when you're building your tiny house is that you have something like this polyurethane to cover it up between work times, especially obviously if you're working outside. If you're working inside, then you're pretty fortunate. But versus this blue tarp, which I think is pretty standard and we see a lot. But I found that it actually didn't waterproof the base as much as I needed to. So we added this polyurethane, has always done the trick. So that's something to think about when you're building it. So to try to be a little bit more smart about this, the next time I think we would probably cut the foam, the first layer of foam, we would cut it, dry fit it, and then cut the second layer of foam, dry fit it, and then cut the plywood on top, dry fit it, and then remove the plywood, and then do some spray insulation around the first layer, spray insulation around the second layer, and while it's still wet, it's fine, and then you cap it. So I think the next time that's what we would do to save a little bit more time. Same with the 2x4, as you can see there is a crown to this wood too, so we're going to flip it over so that it presses down in the middle. And I found this to be useful. Every time that you try to cut something and it gets snagged a little bit, this lets go. Just a square knot, works out okay. This is going on, fellas? Must be the local drinking hole over here. Crazy. All right, so we are at the end of day 5. So as you can see, we are done the subfloor completely. All right, so my dad is just measuring up just kind of where the door is gonna go. So I think that's what we'll do now, just to get a better perspective on where things are at. So an amazingly challenging day with mosquitoes, as you can see, but so happy that we came to this end. So hopefully you can hear me through this wind. So again, thank you for everybody that's following this. Your encouragement is amazing. Yeah, if you like this video and like the way that it's presented, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click on the little bell, like, comment, anything that can keep this going. And again, if you have any questions, don't be shy. And with that, let me go back and help my dad with the measurements of where things are at. So thank you again. God bless.